The cool part of this, I want to be able to play a game from scratch. So the idea is not to create a game in Scratch, it's to be able to play a game from scratch. And there is a cool way that we could do to be able to teach kids how to code, but also how sound is working. Because what happened here? We have the spectrogram over there. That is a website that shows you how the voice is working over there. And as you can see, I have some stuff that are not so easy to detect, but oh, oh, z, oh, l, oh, 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 you can really see that you can play on a range of frequency over there. And if you're not speaking but using a frequency, you can really create something that is detectable really easily in the frequency. Meaning that you can try to do a frequency that go here, a frequency that go here, a frequency to go here, and then when you go in Scratch, so this one will play here, this one will play here, this one will play here, and this one will play here. And so it means that if you do a small code that look at the spectrogram of the speakers and convert that to an action in a game, and that's the code I can create easily, then you can play game from scratch. And by that you can also teach children what is the sound. And something you can also try to teach is the volume. So here what happens is that if you want to teach a kid how to create their own game here, what you do is that you do that. Okay, you say, okay, find a sound that is a line, like L, or or E is cool. Okay, we'll use E. Okay, so you come here and you say that you want to record something here in the third volume. Say I want to record, and then you say E up. You cut here like this, and you say big L. So this sound will be here on the spectrogram of the sound. And see if now I need to find something that is here. No. L. Okay, or you use this one. So I say I want to record something, and you say okay, we come here and we cut here and we save and we say high pitch, like this. So now we have here high pitch and we have here big L, and so ta-da, cool. And so another stuff that can be taught too is the volume. So here is the spectrogram, so it's the way the sound is represented on the frequency of the sound. Yeah, it's playable by a kid but not understandable by kid. Here what's happened is that you can also play on the volume and explain what is the binary of code of computer. I show you how. Come here in the volume, and you go here and you do a record, and in this record you do this, and ta-da, you have here a sound that will do whoop, up, down, up, down, up, down. And what happens is that I can easily design something that look at the last second and try to find a pattern that is doing tick, 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 and say if I find this pattern, then I do an action in the game. So for example, if you want to go in WoW and you want to give some life to someone, what you could do is say, okay, like this, and so you watch the pattern, And as soon as you have something that look like this, so but in square, so tuk 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 tuk, then it means okay, you can heal the character. Now if I save, if I do another one, and I do like this, so we can see that this one will be no, so we can restart it and not too fast. And ta-da, I've done some Morse. So you can teach Morse code and action in game by using the volume of the sound without having to explain what is a spectrogram. So, well, this recording was just me explaining you that because I was trying to do a WebSocket interface to communicate with Scratch, and I find something that is much better to be able to teach kids how to interact with their own game. So you just need to do a small Git code that converts the sound of the speakers to action. And as soon as you have that, you can teach kids by not modifying Scratch. And that's amazing. So yeah, may the code be with you. If you want me to code that, feel free to comment on the topic of the video. Feel free to contact me. And yeah, have a great day. See you in the next video.